Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening Settings and going to Network and Internet to check adapter status. Verify that Wi-Fi is enabled and that adapters appear active in network connections. Confirm the Wi-Fi adapter supports hosted network or the Windows Mobile Hotspot feature. Turn off VPN and third-party firewalls before troubleshooting the hotspot. Restart your PC to clear transient network issues and reopen settings after reboot. Have your Wi-Fi password and SSID ready to reconfigure the hotspot immediately. Open Settings, select Mobile Hotspot, and choose Wi-Fi for sharing my internet connection from. Set an SSID and a strong password, then toggle Mobile Hotspot onto Broadcast. If Mobile Hotspot is unavailable, open an elevated command prompt and run commands to set Hosted Network Mode, SSID, and Key as administrator. Use Netch WLAN Start Hosted Network to begin broadcasting if your adapter supports it. Confirm connected devices in Settings, and disconnect any devices you no longer trust or need. Open Device Manager and update the Wi-Fi driver to the latest available version from the manufacturer. If updates fail, roll back the driver or uninstall and reinstall the adapter to restore function. Enable internet connection sharing on the source adapter by opening Properties and allowing other network users to connect. Use the Windows Network Troubleshooter to detect problems and follow suggested fixes step by step. If all else fails, run a network reset. Then reconfigure the hotspot and restart your PC to finalize settings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.